Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collab with my friend Alyssa. We both created colorful eye looks. Make sure to go check her out and subscribe. And if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching.
Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
So I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion, and now I'm just setting it with a neutral shade. Then I'm going in with my Urban Decay full spectrum palette, and I'm using this blue shade called Blindsided, and I'm blending this above my crease.
With the idea of you, 'cause across a million seas, would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your pet.
I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut the crease. Then I'm going in with this purple shade called Sketch, and I'm putting this on my outer and inner lid.
I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me. But does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone.
Then I'm taking this yellow shade called Calavera, and I'm putting it in the center of my lid. Then I packed on this yellow shimmer over the top.
For me.
Then I just went back in with that neutral shade just to highlight and make the line stand out. Then I'm going in with my NYX Azure liner to line my waterline. I'm just applying mascara and then my Eyelure and Nicole Guerrero 143 lashes. For bronzer, I'm just going back in with my Wet n Wild palette.
Goddamn road 3 times, and I run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to.
For blush, I'm going in with Too Faced Baby Love.
But would you do that for me?
I'm going in with Forever Lit to highlight my nose and Cupid's bow. To highlight my cheeks, I'm going in with this Lemonhead Space Paste. And then for lips, I'm using Chloe Money from Kylie Cosmetics.